Welcome back to Blockverse AI. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now, because we bring you the best crypto platforms, events, and opportunities every single week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Before anything else, this video is only for informational purposes and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now let us get into it. Today I want to show you one of the best events running on WEEX exchange right now, and that is the zero fee trading event. But before I get into the event, let me quickly show you how to get started on WEEX if you are new, because the whole thing takes about 2 minutes. You click the link in the description below, which takes you straight to the event page. You hit sign up, enter your email address or phone number, create your password, verify your account with the confirmation code, and you are in. That is it. 2 minutes and your account is live and ready. If you already have a WEEX account, just click the same link in the description and log in directly. You will land straight on the event page and you can join immediately. Now before I get into the event details, let me give you a quick overview of what WEEX actually is. Because if you are new to the platform, you need to understand why this event is such a big deal. WEEX is a global cryptocurrency exchange that has been running since 2018 and today serves over 5 million users worldwide. It offers spot trading, futures trading with up to 200 times leverage, copy trading, and over 1,700 trading pairs covering everything from Bitcoin and Ethereum to altcoins, meme coins, AI tokens, and even tokenized commodities like gold and silver. The platform is known for having some of the most competitive fees in the market already, but this event takes things to a completely different level. Now let me tell you about the event, because this is the part that actually matters. WEEX has launched a zero-fee trading promotion, and if you are an active trader, this is something you genuinely do not want to sleep on. Trading fees are one of the biggest silent killers of profit in crypto. Most traders do not realize how much they are losing to fees until they actually sit down and calculate it properly. Every trade, every day, a percentage gets taken out. It does not feel like much in the moment, but over a full month of active trading, that number adds up to serious money that never made it into your wallet. This event removes that completely. During the event period, you can trade on qualifying pairs with zero trading fees. Every single trade you make, the full amount works for you. Nothing skimmed off the top. And remember, WEEX already charges 0% maker fees on spot trades at the base level, which already makes it one of the only major exchanges offering that. So this event on top of that structure makes WEEX genuinely unbeatable for cost-conscious traders right now. On top of the zero-fee trading, there is cashback built into the event as well. New users who make their first quick buy deposit earn cashback automatically. There are no complicated steps involved. You make your first purchase through quick buy, and the cashback lands in your account straight away. The cashback tiers are structured so that the more you put in, the more you get back. So if you are coming in with a serious starting amount, the reward scales with that. Zero fees on quick buy used purchases using supported fiat currencies are also included during the event period. So even your very first entry into crypto on this platform costs you nothing extra from start to finish. For higher volume traders, there are tiered rewards based on your trading volume during the event. The more you trade, the larger your share of the reward pool. WEEX consistently runs reward pools across its events worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and the more active you are during the event period, the bigger your slice of that pool. This is how WEEX rewards the traders who show up and engage with the platform, and it is one of the main reasons the exchange has built such a loyal and growing community of over 5 million users globally. Now let me talk about security for a second, because this matters before you put any money onto any platform. WEEX runs a 1,000 BTC protection fund that sits separately from the exchange's operating funds specifically to safeguard user assets. Two-factor authentication is available and strongly recommended for every account. The platform also runs real-time monitoring systems that flag unusual activity, large withdrawal requests, and unrecognized login attempts automatically. For a platform you are depositing real money onto that kind of infrastructure gives you genuine peace of mind. There is also a referral component built into this event that is worth paying attention to. Once you are registered and inside the event, your personal referral link is active. Every new user you bring in who signs up and starts trading on the platform earns you a commission of up to 40% of their trading fees on an ongoing basis. So on top of saving on your own fees, you can also build a passive income stream just by sharing the event with people in your network. Share it in your group chat, with your trading friends, with anyone you know who is active in crypto, and every time they trade you earn. And if you want to go even further with your savings on this platform, WEEX also has a VIP program and a WX native token system. Holding WXT gets you permanently reduced fees on top of everything else. VIP users can access up to 50% discounts on futures trading fees and up to 100% spot fee waivers. So for serious long-term traders, the combination of this zero fee event and the WEEX token benefits creates a trading environment where fees essentially stop being a factor entirely. So let me pull everything together for you quickly. You sign up using the link in the description in under 2 minutes. You land on the event page and join the zero fee promotion. You make your first deposit through QuickBuy to activate your automatic cashback reward. You start trading on the qualifying zero fee pairs and keep your full profits from every single trade. You share your referral link and earn passive commissions from everyone you bring in. And if you want to go long-term on this platform, you look into WXT and the VIP program for permanent fee advantages beyond the event. The event link is in the description below. Get in before it ends and start trading the way trading should always have been. Zero fees, real rewards, cashback on deposits, passive referral income, and a platform that was built for people who take trading seriously. Give the video a like if you found this useful, and subscribe to Blockverse AI because we cover events, platforms, and opportunities like this every single week. See you in the next one.